This week I am testing the Volvo XC60. It's a beautiful 5-seater family SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Volvo XC60 there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 rear seats and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats really nicely across this back row. I have got the Achieve More and Momentum More forward facing and the InfoSecure Adapt More infant capsule rear facing on the driver's side. Now they fit really nicely across here, and with those installed we could fit a 186cm driver in front of that rear facing Adapt More capsule. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. Now, the Volvo XC60 does have built-in booster seats to both of the rear outer seats, which is fantastic for those slightly older children. There are 2 different heights of booster seat, and there's a clear label that states the height your child needs to be to use each of those booster seats. My eldest daughter has loved riding on them this week. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box and in the rear side pillars of the XC60, which are fantastic for keeping passengers in the back the right temperature while driving along. There's also 2 USB-C sockets below them, which are fantastic so passengers can charge devices while driving. Storage in the back of the XC60 is quite good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats, and the door bins will hold a disposable water bottle, and there's a little storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a phone charging pad, and in front of that is a little tray with a 12-volt socket in there, and you can open and close the lid. The central console box is a nice size, and the glove box is a good size. That would hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. And the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle, and a wallet and iPad fit in them too. And there's also storage handle wells in the front doors. The media system in the XC60 is lovely and simple and easy to navigate. You've got Google Maps in there and apps like Spotify. Got Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic. You can access your phone while driving. It's also got other things in there like YouTube, and you've also got air quality you can control in the XC60 too. It's easy to access the car settings and control things like the sound, things that are lovely and useful with families. You can control the climate through the screen as well. That's really easy. And when you put it into reverse, the camera image is really lovely and clear. You've got a 360 camera, and you've also can turn the parking sensors on and off with a button on the screen. The boot door of the Volvo XC60 opens really nice and easily with just a press button, and closes like that too. Now the retractable roller blind in here is attached, and it automatically goes up and down when you open and close the boot, which is a really nice feature. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the XC60.
Empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 4 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL, which is a one-handed fold stroller, making parenting easier for families. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller fits with 11 shopping bags, or the Leclerc Baby Influencer XL with bassinet fits with 6 shopping bags, and the Leclerc Baby Influencer XL with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 11 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller.
The Volvo XC60 is a pleasure to drive. It is such a lovely, smooth and quiet car. Steering is really light, but you do feel nicely grounded to the road. The turning circle is really good, and the visibility is good in here. Even with the 3 child seats in the back, I can see out, and visibility down the sides is good too. There's also a camera you can pop on the media screen as well if you need more visibility. It's great for school and supermarket drop-offs. Motorway driving is lovely and comfortable, and around town too. So to sum up with the Volvo XC60, it does make a fantastic family baby drive. You can fit those 3 infant-secure child seats nicely across the back row, with great legroom in the front. A 186cm passenger can sit in front of the rear-facing infant-secure Adapt More infant capsule. Or you've got those fantastic built-in booster seats for children around the age 4 and upwards, but it has got the height indicators in there too. The drive is fantastic in here. It's such a lovely, smooth, comfortable drive, and the turning circle is good too. The media system and cameras are fantastic, and the boot, we can easily fit the Leclerc baby quick fold stroller in the boot, and there's plenty of room for shopping too.